Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly's authorship tool. This feature is incredibly useful for tracking your writing progress and proving that you've created content from scratch, which can be especially helpful for students, professionals, or anyone who needs to verify their original work. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you've entered your credentials, you'll be directed to Grammarly's dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all of Grammarly's features and manage your documents. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, look at the left navigation menu. You'll see several options here, but for using Grammarly's authorship tool, click on Docs. This is where all your documents and articles are stored and organized. From your list of documents, click on the sample document where you wish to use the authorship tool. This could be any document you've been working on, whether it's an essay, article, or report. Once the document opens, you'll be directed to the document editor. This is where you typically work on your text and see Grammarly's suggestions. To access the authorship tool, look at the right side panel of your screen. You'll see your menu bar with various options available. From here, click on Authorship, and your right side panel will expand to show you more details. This panel gives you a preview of your authorship information, but to see the full picture, click on Open Full Report. When you do this, a new browser tab will open up. From this new browser tab, you'll see your comprehensive writing stats, showing how this document started and how you've used Grammarly's tools and features throughout your writing process. This is where the real value of the authorship tool becomes apparent. You can also play the authoring replay located on the bottom right corner of your screen. This feature stores the complete progress of your document, showing exactly how you generated or created the whole article or document. It's like having a time-lapse video of your writing process, giving you proof that you've created this from scratch. This can be particularly useful for detecting if content was pasted from various sources versus being genuinely written within Grammarly. And there you have it. You now know how to access and use Grammarly's authorship tool to verify and showcase your original work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.